Like, they didn't need to tell us all this on the phone. Ice skating in the mall. This is huge. I forgot to mention my friend is joining me on this trip. So what's up, guys? Welcome on Pre. It's your girl with another video. As you can see, I don't know what happened to my intro, but it's not here. Thank you for joining me again. This vlog is all about me going to Texas from Virginia to check out some apartments because I plan on moving there, so I need to go check them out. And I have 4 that I went to see, except this first vlog is complicated. Things did not go as planned. There will be a part 2 to this that shows all of the apartments that I went to. I plan on going back to Texas to check out some more and then make my final pick. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. She's right there. That's my car right there, guys. Anyway, so you know what? They should start calling me Takeoff. Because one thing I'm gonna do is take off. That was good. Oh, here he is. Okay, the Uber's here. Can you come in?
Is that everything?
This girl, yes, sir. I mean, I hope she don't have anything else. It's her first trip. I don't know if she. Oh, it's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay.
I can put anything else in the front.
Yeah. Hopefully, she doesn't have a lot.
How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Good.
son of boy can't try to program me. I'm rebel from day one. Real bad girl, son of boy can't try to program me.
Galleria. Yeah. Thank you. So now we are at the I know. So now we're at the We're at the Galleria Mall. You know they don't care about no mask in Texas, baby, but we still wearing ours, and a lot of people are too. My friend needed some shorts. So we gotta go to H&M. So I'll see you guys there. Gotta hold on to this. So you hungry too? This is a pretty cool mall. Like, I wouldn't mind coming back and ice skating in the mall. This is huge. Did you get what I... Oh, we got a little kitchen. This is what them apartments be looking like. They be trying to charge I told you this. Well, yeah, we not opposed. I know. He funny, ain't he? What is our what? The road. That's cute. That looks like our kitchen. I just know good and well. Where's the light at? Where's the light?
That's not one in the center.
You already on there, boo. He wanted to be on there so bad. How you do this? Slap my knees and call me black. Look at this, Asia. Can't even get in there.
Shot o'clock, shot o'clock, shot o'clock.
We really have a oh, it's not Asian. Oh, that man. Oh, they got pots. It's something there. Eat pots. This was, I know they charge hella money for this to be an apartment.
Like people who live here?
Yeah. Like, this ain't no game. This like a for real where you live. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's the next day. We ready. My friend fell asleep. She fell asleep last night, so we didn't go out.
First.
You look nice.
So I went to sleep, following her sleep, and then we didn't make it out because then she woke up and I was asleep, so she wanted to leave me alone.
Yes, guys. So we're excited. We're gonna go tour some apartments today. Our ride is a little late, but we gonna make it. So you guys get to see some apartments today, and we might go to the botanical garden. Do you want to do that today or tomorrow? So we're gonna see that tomorrow.
We can take a picture.
One of my buns bigger. Ignore it though. I darkened it. What? Snap.
I said, he said, are you recording?
So we're gonna be we about to head out, so I'm gonna take you guys with me.
Take that part out.
Okay, so I had to change this side. It was bigger than this side, and I could notice it, so I changed it. Our ride is late. I'm gonna have to fire him. It's a free ride, but you can decline for your free ride too. Okay? He's still not here. So the appointment the first tour starts at 12. It's already 11:41. We have to go rent the car. He's not here. So when I see him, I'm gonna have to dive into that ass for a second. Yeah. Fine, how are you? Baby, it is cold out here. It is cold. I got my belly out. I didn't know it was gonna be cold like this. He talking about outside. Yeah, the audacity. You know, I need to be quiet because it's free.
I feel like $100 is a great deal. We're adults.
Bro, I don't want you. Tell him that. Asia, don't talk to him.
You just snatched.
I was about to go up that balcony.
Let's see how much he drank.
We gotta go. It's like he talking about good morning, guys, and then he talking about we could take a shot. Bruh, no, we trying to go. We late. Things start at 12. The realtor said if we can get there a little early.
He's still saying good morning.
He's still saying good morning because we not. Yeah, we got. Oh God.
It's 1.06
It's
miles
the
away.
no. It's the one that's Let me look. Oh, we gonna park it, huh? Let me look.
Well, good morning, y'all. I got y'all was here. Shit.
We are going to this one.
2944.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just gonna put the address in. 2944. North Beltline. Urban. 23 minutes, y'all.
Yeah. I need to let this real estate lady know we about to be late for this first one. What?
I'm listening.
What are you laughing about? What's so funny this morning?
Nothing, I'm listening.
And so it shows. Hello. Anyways, we're out. Okay. Letitia, we in here late. It's 12.
Now, the reservation was at 9 in the morning. I didn't have you come in. Right now, I don't have anything at the moment. I am waiting to see if I can get anything returned right now. So I'm waiting to get some cars returned. I can try to see if there's a location.
First of all, I never told these people what time I was gonna come. And I guess I'm assuming they just thought 9 a.m. Until now we can't get a car. I just don't know if this is meant to be because it's already,
I don't think it's meant to be.
it's already after 12.
We might as well Uber.
Literally.
Might as well. We got one day.
Yeah. It's after 12.
I'm telling you.
Don't want to just take my car.
Yeah, come on. Can we go to the first location at least? To the first apartment? They thought I was gonna come at 9 a.m. I never told them that. So I think they just gave me a 9 a.m. pickup. And because our ride is late, it's now almost 1. And the first tour for apartment was at 12, but they know that we're running late, so. Exactly. No, they did not say none of that. They didn't say nothing about the freaking, what's that? That was too much.
I'm like, bro, my nigga, what? Shit.
We're not getting one. We're just gonna have to Uber around because that is too much. Like, they didn't need to tell us all this on the phone. Too much. And my first appointment's about to be over. I'm supposed to be heading to the second one. So at this point, forget it. We'll figure something out.
And it's all Mario's fault.
And he said it's all his fault. So we're at the Nash now.